Is that car yours?
No, it's not. It belongs to my neighbor.
Whose book is this?
It is mine. I love reading books.
That house is hers, isn't it?
No, it's not. It belongs to her father.
Is this wallet his?
No. It is his brother's.
Are those shoes hers?
Yes, she bought them last week.
Is this laptop his? No. It's company owned.
Is this room hers?
Yes, this room is hers. She decorated it herself.
Are those bikes ours?
No, they aren't ours.
Is that dog yours?
Yes. His name is Max, and he's a golden retriever.
Are these books theirs?
No. They borrowed them from the library.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.